Hello everyone, this is Sarah. Today, let's talk about PDC cutter for oil drilling bits. PDC cutters consist of polycrystalline diamond layer centered with tungsten carbide substrate under ultra high temperature and pressure. It is mainly applicable for PDC drilling bit for drilling into soft and intermediate hardness stratum. The specifications of PDC cutters for oil drilling bits: PDC-F, PDC-C, PDC-S, PDC-G, PDC-R. PDC drill bit producing line. How a polycrystalline diamond composite PDC oilfield drill bit works. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, please visit our website.